Hello everybody, today we are making kids tiffin recipe and the fun part is these are popular and simple recipes across the globe. So make your smart kids more smarter by introducing them to the culinaries of the world through food. Before we get started, I am Bijita. Welcome you to my channel #The World Menu. Without any delay, let's begin. Take one barta brinjal, cut it into large pieces like so, marinate with salt and let it sit for 30 minutes on a cotton cloth. Thinly slice the cabbage, you can use green cabbage as well. Pour some olive oil for frying. Fry the brinjal till it becomes charred black. Meanwhile, let's prepare the tahini sauce. For this we require 100 grams of white sesame seeds. Dry roast it till it turns nice golden brown like so. Once it cools down, transfer it into a mixer jar. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, salt to taste, grind it into a fine paste like so. A tahini paste is ready. Brinjal has fried beautifully. It took around 4 to 5 minutes on each side on medium flame. Let's keep this aside. I have taken whole wheat loaf. You can take any bread of your choice. For the filling, I have taken some purple cabbage. This is Israeli salad. This is a mix of cucumber and tomato mixed with salt and black pepper. A fried brinjal. Some parsley, some pickled jalapeno, you can take any pickled vegetable, and the tahini sauce. So our Israeli sabich is ready to be served. Now let's plate the tiffin. Take an avocado, give it a gentle press like so. If it yields, the avocado is ripe. Give it a crisscross cuts like so. This helps you easily mash the avocados. Scoop out the goodness. Mash it gently, do not overmash the avocados. Pour half teaspoon of avocado oil, you can use any oil of your choice. Drizzle some garlic, let it turn golden brown. Add a slice of bread, toast it well as per your preference. Keep aside the pieces of garlic when it turns golden brown. Add a good layer of mashed avocado. Sprinkle some salt, some black pepper powder, chili flakes, oregano, fried garlic, few chopped parsley. You may also use coriander leaves. Now let's cut the sandwich. Let's plate a tiffin. Heat a pan, add some olive oil, add 2 tablespoons of garlic, saute for a minute, add 250 grams of mushroom, saute till it's nice and tender. Add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, half teaspoon of sugar, finely chopped few purple cabbage. You can use any veggies of your choice. Add salt to taste, freshly chopped parsley. Give it a nice mix and we are done. This is that easy and quick. Now let's prepare a onigiri. Take some short grain boiled rice, overcook it a bit so it becomes sticky, then add the mushroom mix, some soya sauce, freshly chopped parsley, some chili flakes, some oregano. You can flavor it with any sauces of your choice. Give it a nice mix. Take a food wrap, fill it with the rice like so. Now mold it into a triangle shape. That's how an onigiri looks like. Keep it aside for a minute or so to hold the shape. And we'll fry this. Heat some oil for frying. Meanwhile, let's unwrap the onigiri. Wet your hands so the rice does not stick. This has holded a nice shape. Let's fry it. Fry the onigiri for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame till it becomes crisp on both the sides. You may also take plain rice without adding any sauces and fill it with the mushroom mix. That becomes your plain onigiri with filled mushroom. That's it. Our onigiri is ready to be served. Let's plate a tiffin.